Welcome to my channel.
Let's start listening stories from two languages. A long time ago, in a village that was quite densely populated, there lived a wild dog who was very greedy. This wild dog had a fat body because he ate everything. He also often stole food from the market.
Dahulu kala, di sebuah desa yang cukup ramai penduduknya, tinggallah seekor anjing liar yang sangat rakus. Anjing liar itu memiliki tubuh yang gemuk karena dia makan apa saja. Dia juga sering mencuri makanan di pasar.
Until one day, the dog felt hungry, even though he had just eaten a few hours ago, and felt hungry again.
Hingga suatu hari, anjing itu merasa kelaparan, padahal beberapa jam lalu dia baru saja makan, dan merasa lapar kembali.
A few hours ago, the dog stole people's food at the market and ate all the food until he was full, and he felt hungry again.
Beberapa jam lalu, si anjing mencuri makanan orang-orang di pasar dan memakan semua makanan itu hingga kenyang, dan dia merasa lapar lagi.
Because there were still many people in the market, the dog went back to the market to look for food, wandered around the market for a long time, but he didn't get any food.
Karena masih banyak orang di pasar, anjing itu kembali ke pasar untuk mencari makanan, lama berkeliling di pasar namun tidak satupun makanan dia dapatkan.
Until the dog accidentally passed a butcher shop, the dog was tempted, his saliva was dripping, he really wanted the meat and bones.
Hingga si anjing tidak sengaja melewati satu toko daging, anjing itu tergiur, salivanya menetes, dia sangat ingin daging dan tulang itu.
The shop owner realized that there was a dog in front of his shop. The good shop owner gave a little meat to the dog.
Pemilik toko yang menyadari ada seekor anjing di depan tokonya, pemilik toko yang baik memberi sedikit daging ke si anjing.
The greedy dog immediately devoured the meat given by the shop owner in one go. The dog felt that the meat given by the shop owner was not enough to make him full.
Anjing rakus itu langsung melahap satu kali lahap daging yang diberikan pemilik toko. Anjing itu merasa daging yang diberikan oleh pemilik toko tidak cukup untuk membuatnya kenyang.
When the shop owner was busy serving customers, the naughty dog entered the shop and sniffed all the meat and bones without the shop owner realizing it.
Ketika pemilik toko sedang sibuk melayani pembeli, si anjing nakal itu masuk ke dalam toko dan mengendus semua daging dan tulang tanpa pemilik toko sadari.
The dog was sneaking around until he was very surprised when he saw a very large bone. In the dog's mind, wow, I've never seen a bone that big.
Anjing itu mengendap-endap hingga dia sangat terkejut saat melihat ada tulang yang sangat besar. Dalam benak si anjing, wah, belum pernah aku melihat tulang sebesar itu.
The bone was very big. The greedy and ignorant dog stole the big bone and ran away. The dog bit the big bone and ran towards the forest.
Tulang itu sangat besar. Anjing rakus dan tidak tahu diri itu mencuri tulang besar dan kabur. Anjing itu menggigit tulang besar itu dan berlari menuju hutan.
After running away from the market for quite some time, the dog proudly jumped up and down in the forest because of the big bone in his mouth.
Setelah cukup lama berlari meninggalkan pasar, si anjing dengan bangganya meloncat-loncat kesenangan di dalam hutan karena tulang besar di mulutnya.
The dog felt thirsty because he had run a long way. He went to the river to drink. When he arrived at the river, he saw another dog carrying a large bone like his.
Anjing itu merasa haus karena sudah berlari jauh. Dia pergi ke sungai untuk minum. Setibanya di sungai, dia melihat ada anjing lain yang membawa tulang yang besar seperti miliknya.
The dog muttered in his heart, "Wow, what a big bone. I want that bone. If I had that bone then I would have two bones."
Anjing itu bergumam dalam hatinya, "Wah, Besar sekali tulangnya, aku menginginkan tulang itu. Seandainya aku memiliki tulang itu, maka tulangku cukup 2.
The greedy dog didn't know that what he saw was his own reflection, as if it were another dog carrying a big bone like his.
Anjing yang tamak itu tidak tahu bahwa yang dia lihat itu adalah pantulan dirinya sendiri. Seakan-akan itu adalah anjing lain yang sedang membawa tulang besar seperti miliknya.
The dog opened his mouth and barked at his own reflection, without realizing his big bone fell and was swept away by the river current.
Anjing itu membuka mulutnya dan menggonggongi bayangannya sendiri. Tanpa dia sadari tulang besarnya jatuh dan hanyut di bawah arus sungai.
Because of his stupidity and greed, the dog finally lost the big bone. He was very sorry and felt sad.
Karena kebodohannya dan sifat tamak si anjing akhirnya kehilangan tulang besar itu, dia sangat menyesal dan merasa sedih.
But it was too late. There was no point for the dog to regret anymore, because the big bone that had belonged to him had already been washed away by the river current.
Tapi semuanya sudah terlambat, tidak ada gunanya lagi bagi anjing untuk menyesal, karena tulang besar yang tadi menjadi miliknya sudah hanyut jauh di bawah arus sungai.